and here's the thing. This hearing has actually been sort of a long time coming. In fact, we were in the courtroom back in July when that preliminary hearing was supposed to happen. But Hartsfield, the defendant, got into a bit of a dispute with the prosecution. He was asking for another delay in this trial, claiming he didn't have enough time to go over evidence that was available to him through discovery. But the judge did allow for that delay to happen. Here we are at the end of August, and this preliminary hearing was scheduled to happen at 9 a.m. Well, here's the thing. Hartsfield did not show up at 9 a.m. In fact, there was a point in time where they were calling to find out where he was. They did not know if he was going to show up. We did not know if a bench warrant was going to be issued, but eventually Hartsfield did show up and that preliminary hearing did move forward. Now, what happens in these preliminary hearings is that the prosecution generally takes the lead. It's up to them to prove that they have enough evidence to move forward in this trial. We know that they've called law enforcement witnesses to try to, again, bring forth some of this evidence. Hartsfield does have the opportunity to go ahead in cross-examination because he is representing himself, something else that has been an issue during this case. Now, as for Hartsfield, he is facing a number of charges that include arson, insurance fraud, as well as grand theft. That grand theft stemming from the money that he raised through GoFundMe in donations, about $100,000 in donations under false pretenses. Now, of course, what we should find out at the end of this hearing is when and if this trial will move forward. Of course, as soon as we hear back on that, we will be sure to update you both here and on CBS8.com. Reporting from downtown, I'm Chris Groh for CBS 8.